Hello, everyone. My name is Kendall. I'm an enrollment coordinator in the admissions department at the University of Maryland School of Nursing. And today, myself, Jackie Jackson, and Christiana Holden, who are also enrollment coordinators, we're going to be presenting our Transcripts 101 for today's workshop Wednesday. So the first step with submitting transcripts, we require all official transcripts to be sent to our institution directly from your college or university. We do not accept unofficial transcripts, so they have to be official coming from your school's registrar office. So step 2, please make sure that you are sending your transcripts directly to our address, which is 655 West Lombard Street. And that will be Suite 101, Baltimore, Maryland 21201. And step 3, we will recommend sending your transcripts to our email, which is admissions.nursing@umaryland.edu. Through an electronic service, only because transcripts that are sent electronically tend to get to us a bit quicker, as transcripts in the mail tend to take about 3 to 5 business days. So just to make sure we have them, we would suggest sending them electronically. So some of the requirements, we require official transcripts sent from every single institution you've attended. So even if it's been many years ago, we still will require it. Even if you haven't received a credit or you have received a credit, we will require that transcript. And yep, that's right.
Thanks, Kendall. All right, so provisional transcripts, final transcripts must be submitted upon completion of any class that you have in progress. The transcripts must be received by June 1st for students admitted for the fall, and then September 1st for students that are admitted for the spring. If you do not send your transcripts, it can result in the cancellation of your admission. And then, so international transcripts, so those students who have attended university outside the US, we will need your transcript to be evaluated by one of our NACES members. You can actually use the link below to find out how you can obtain your credential evaluation. And then delayed transcript processing. Transcripts processing may be delayed for a bunch of reasons. So you haven't created an application with us for the current cycle. The name on your application does not match the name on transcript, like your name on transcript is like a maiden name, and then, or maiden name, and then you'll have like a different name. And then the institution is not entered in the college's attended section, and you have not. Sorry about that. I didn't realize I was muted. So that concludes the end of our presentation. So again, our email is listed there along with our phone number, and then also the email for our undergrad and grad team. So if you guys have